Hello everybody, welcome to Project Next, the birdhouse with the automatic feeder. So last time I kind of told you the concept of what I was trying to put together, and it's gone a little bit further, but there's a couple of changes. So first of all, I'll kind of show you, this is the feeder. So it's actually designed for deer feeding. The bottom comes off, it's got a timer on it. I can make it feed it every 10 minutes if I wanted to. It holds a lantern battery. So because of the way this comes apart, I have to be able to pick up to get access to the battery. So I'm kind of working through that design. It's going to set on top of the bird feeder. I got to figure out how to hold it in place. I think I'm going to put some attachments on, so I'll figure that out next time. Secondly, I need to put some slope toward the hole, which is where the feed comes in. So I got to make some angle pieces of wood and then put them in there on 45-degree miters. So I'll show you how that's going to be done using the planer. And then my goal was, if you remember, to put a 40-pound bag of birdseed in this thing. And when I did the calculations, to maintain the golden mean, which is 1 to 1.6, which is kind of the way humans look at things ratio-wise, and it looks right. So width to height. So this actually is almost exactly the golden mean, 13 wide, 21 tall. So it looks aesthetically pleasing, or should. To go bigger, in order to fit the entire bag in and maintain that ratio, I have to go wider. And I just didn't want it to be so big it was a monstrosity in the backyard. The other alternative was to do like an International Harvester type silo, but corporate nixed that for looks. So we're sticking with the barn. What you should see next time is I'm going to put as much wood as I can up here to hold as much feed as I can. We'll see how much goes in here. And then I'll make a steel top so that it's one piece and covers it. Obviously with the birdseed in here for potentially a month, I don't want it to get moldy or wet and then moldy. So that's where we're headed with it. Keep an eye out for us. I'll have the bottom on next time, and maybe we'll do a couple of experiments to see how much feed comes out, so I know how often to set it so that I can get as long as I can between refilling. So take care, be good, and be safe.